This is my food. Kippoten. Het heet. Maar gelukkig heb ik nog altijd mosselen, die ik wel lekker vind. She's just laughing at me. God. Please take me. This is chicken legs, man. Chicken legs. You want to see one? They're really spicy chicken legs as well. Ooh, tasty. And look at Marlene's face. I'm gonna put it in my rice. Put it in your bub. You having some bub going on? I'm having problems. I'm on fire. Whenever you would come to Korea, do not order chicken legs because they're spicy. Spicy as hell. Yeah.